Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's open the camera first of all, and then we have to make sure that we are on the video mode. So let's tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure of the video mode. So now let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. And here we have to find video size. Let's tap on it. As you can see in this device, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose: FHD, HD, and SD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen size, the chosen resolution to record the videos. Of course, it's up to you which option you want to use, but to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned on, as it is the best possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.